This is the second part of the topic, basic engine. If you have not watched the first part, you can check out on the cards or you can check out the links in description. So hey everyone, this is Fawaz here, welcoming you to FFK Incorporation. Let's get into the video. Two-stroke IC engine. The working of two-stroke IC engine is as same as four-stroke IC engine, but here the difference is that all the four stages, that is suction, compression, expansion and exhaust, are done in two-stroke, that is upstroke and downstroke. As we can see in the construction, there is a crankcase in which air fuel mixture is stored, and there is a transfer port which connects crankcase to the cylinder. And instead of inlet and exhaust valve, here inlet and exhaust port are there. There is a deflector mounted on a piston, and here a spark plug is used to ignite the fuel. The working of two-stroke IC engine. Let us assume there is an air fuel mixture inside the cylinder. As we can see in this diagram, where piston moving from bottom dead center to the top dead center, these uncover the inlet ports and through which the air fuel mixture get inside the cylinder. And piston moving towards the top dead center, they compress the fuel mixture that is inside the cylinder. The second stroke is downward stroke. During this stroke, the spark plug produces a spark which ignites the air fuel mixture, and this pushes down the piston from top dead center to the bottom dead center. During this stroke, the air fuel mixture which is stored in the crankcase transferred to the cylinder through a transfer port, and this air fuel mixture pushed out the gases from the exhaust stroke. The disadvantage of two-stroke engine is that it's cause scavenging. The raw fuel mixture get also out of the cylinder during the exhaust stroke. Single cylinder engine. In this type of engines, all the process are done in a single cylinder, and this type of engines are mostly used in motorcycle, motor scooter, go-kart. Multi-cylinder engine. When an engine have more than two cylinder or one cylinder, then it is known as multi-cylinder engine. These engines are mostly used in automobiles such as cars, trucks, bus. Inline engine. When all the cylinders are connected in an engine one by another, then it is known as inline engine. As we can see in this diagram, where all the cylinders are connected one by another, therefore it is called as inline engine. These type of engines are used in automobiles such as cars, trucks, bus and etc. V engine. In this type of engine, the cylinders are arranged in the V form, as we can see in this diagram, where both the cylinders and pistons are connected in a V form on a crank. These type of engines are mostly used in superbikes and racing cars. Radial engine. In this type of engine, all the pistons are connected in a radial form, as we can see in this diagram. These type of engines are used in aircraft before the gas turbines. Opposed cylinder, opposed piston engine. This is a special type of engine. It is mostly used in military tanks and factories. The construction of this engine is different from all the engines, as we can see in this diagram, where in a single crank all four pistons are mounted, and these four pistons move opposite to each others. Otto cycle. It is also known as isentropic cycles. In this process, the volume remains constant throughout the process. Diesel cycle. It is also known as isenbaric cycle. Throughout the process, pressure remains constant. Dual cycle. From the name, it says that both volume and pressure remain constant throughout the process. As I have promised in the part 1 that I will announce something in part 2. So here I am announcing a giveaway. In this giveaway, you can participate and win a special prize. So all the process I will say in the third part. Stay tuned for the next part, that is the final part, where I will announce all the process of the giveaways. That is it for today. Don't forget to like this video, and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. That make me motivate to do this more. Here, Fawaz is signing off.